Hey guys, so let's see a few more formulas that as I mentioned. So this formula will help you to get the net sales directly by multiplying the discount percent with the sales and having and sales quantity. So let me copy this entire formula and then we going to click on table tools. So it's in the table tools tab, and here we have new column. We click on new column and just paste this formula. Okay, let's try to understand this formula. So what it is going to do, it's going to multiply the quantity. So we need to check if we have quantity column. Yes, we have a quantity column. We have unit price column and 1 minus sales percent. So it's going to calculate the discount, right, with the help of this. So let's try to enter it. You could see that it perfectly calculated the net sales amount in just a blink of an eye, right? So this is how DAX could be used, and it's very easy to use if once you get hands on to it. Okay, so let's move and try to check this one. Now this is kind of providing you yes or no, like if a discount is there then it will say yes, and if the discount is not then it will say no. It's kind of an if formula that we have used in Excel previously, like conditions. Based on the condition it will give you output. So let's see how it works here in DAX. So for that you need to again click on new column. Once you hit new column, you will be asked to enter the formula. You will enter the formula. Make sure you remove 2 that we have, otherwise it might give you error. So let's keep it very clean. We will mention as discount applied. So this would be the name of the column that the data would that the data table would take based on this DAX formula. And then if sales discount percent is greater than 0, so any rows which have value greater than 0, like these few of them have, that will be marked as yes, and those which do not, it will be marked as no. So that is the condition that we're going to give in this DAX. Let's try to enter and see if it works properly. And let's see. Now this row has a discount, so it says yes. This row do not have a discount, it says no. Same thing, the rows which has discount, those have been marked as yes, and those which do not, those are marked as no. I hope this helps at times, especially if you want to just see if, for example, you want to see that discount was given or not quickly, and sort it out or filter it out. Based on that, you could easily do it, right? So yes, it helps in data analysis quickly, these kind of columns. Okay, said that, let's move to the next formula that we have, high value order. Again, this is an if condition kind of a formula that we're going to give. So how to give that? We need to click on new column, and here we will try to enter the formula. High value order would be the column name. So if the sales is greater or equal to 50,000, so that will be marked as high value, and if it is less than 50,000, it will be mentioned as normal. Again, will help you to analyze the data better way and quickly, isn't it, these kind of columns. So once I enter the formula, need to hit enter. So net sales, we have given the formula as net sales. if it is greater than equal to 50,000. So net sales, whichever is more than 50,000, the only one that is over 50,000 is this, and it shows as high value. So we have only one row in the entire table which has a sale amount, that is not even sale amount. I would say clearly that it's net sales. So if the net sales is more than 50,000, the value it would give over here is high value, and if it is less than 50,000, it will show as normal. So I hope this would also help in our data analysis journey, these kind of columns. And let's move to the order month and valid order. In the next session is something which I'm going to cover these two. So let's see in the next session.